Hi everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial where I will show you how to add numbers in an Excel sheet by using formula. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start. Open Microsoft Excel window. Here we add some values in different cells like this. And now here in this cell we want to add all these values by using formula. A formula is an expression that starts from an equal symbol. So after equal symbol, select first value, place add symbol, then select another cell to add it, and so on. See, when we select a cell, its reference appears in the cell to get its value. After selecting all values, enter OK, and sum of all values will be appear in this cell. So that's it. How to add numbers in an Excel sheet by using formula. Please subscribe to this channel for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.